Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you Crowloud LED deck light. But it's not only for the top of your rooms, it is waterproof. That means you can assemble these LED lights all over the area, outdoor and indoor, of course, for your bedroom and for your garden too. I'm going to install it in my garden. Spotlights LED floor recessed spotlight 10 pieces, outdoor IP67 waterproof, 32 millimeters diameters, and it is a spotlight 50,000 plus hours. Will work this LEDs, built-in LEDs. This is energy class war A plus. Awesome. High quality, energy efficiently. The floor spotlights LED have an energy class A plus. Received floor spotlights LEDs has 50,000 hours life plus life. This is a long time. The terrace lightning LED can be used for about 5 years. Perfect measurement and an IP67 waterproof design. The floor spotlights protects against dust, water, and weather. The LED spotlights have installation depth of only 23 millimeters. This is small but cute, and it's enough for much light. The outer diameter is 32 millimeters. The depth is 23 millimeters. You don't have to worry about cleaning. The floor spotlight LED receives spotlight gives you the perfect lightning effect. This is true. I like this light really much. And it's easy to install without the help of an electrician. Of course, because the only way you have to make is, for example, in a wooden plate, you only have to drill a hole in it, and then you can push the LED spot into it, and the clamps on the backside will support it immediately. Easy, really easy. The only thing you have to do is you have to need a drill with 32 or 32 millimeters, the outer diameter. So you have a little bit smaller because the cover will cover the hole on the top side, and you have to drill a hole. I think 30 millimeters. This is enough, or 28, and then it will matches to it through it, and the clamps will protect it. Easy, really easy. Or you are going to use some nature. You have the bottom there, dirt. Then use use your fingers, for example. Push a hole in it, and then the only thing you have to do is push the LED spot into it too. Job's done, easily, really easy. Then you have to install the electronic parts. They are waterproof, and you can make a chain of them. Here are 10 of them. But you can also use only one, or you can use 20 for it, because there are multifunction connection. There have a multifunction connection in it. That means you have to push the two wires together, then supported by the screw, and job's done. So you can have a LED chain. And at the end of the LED chain, you have to push the end plug on it. Job's done, and it's waterproof. Yeah, and it has a wide usage. The LED spotlights can be installed in the garden, pavements, hallway, stairs, patios, entrance, flower beds, like me, or directly at the house, as well as wall or ceiling mounting, or in inside the house too, of course. For example, your bathroom, and it is had a nice quality LED, 40 lumens, zero point 0.6 watts. That means you have a cheap illumination, A+ energy efficiency label, and the cap type is 2G10. The voltage is 12 volts. The material is stainless steel, and it is a modern style. Oh yeah. The brand of it is Crow LED, C-R-O-L-E-D, Crow LED. The LED recessed spotlights pack of 10 LED recessed floor lights. IP67 waterproof LED recessed LED light, 3000K warm white. Recessed floor spotlight, DC10 voltage. Recessed ceiling spotlight, 32mm outdoor lights for kitchen, garden, stairs, balcony, patio, etc. The main features are it could be used in many places as lighting or decoration, and it's IP67 waterproof, so you can install it in the house, garden, or steamer. In the evening, you can see them very beautiful, very adversible. You could design and build the recessed spotlight yourself. Could you only use some LED and the rest as a replacement? For example, the material is aluminum plus acrylic. The LED type is 28355MD. The light wire quantity is 1 LED per spotlight. The spotlight quantity is 10, but you can have a different spotlight quantity, of course. The light color is warm white. The color temperature 3000 Kelvin, and the voltage is 12 VDC. The power is 0.6 watt per spotlight. The protection class is IP67, and the dimensions are mounting depth is 23 millimeters. Installation diameters is 22 millimeters. The cover diameters is 32 millimeters. Here I told you the hole will be 22 millimeters, or you can go up to 25 millimeters, I think. The cable length is 1 meter each LED spotlight, and the product overall is approximated 10 meters. And it is easy to install, easy to use, and for the installation, please pay attention to the difference between the positive and negative electrode. There is a direction indicator on the connector. And you can use it all over Europe. EU power supply. Input voltage is AC 90 to 264 volt. That means all Europe energy voltage will apply this. 50/60 Hz. The output voltage is the 12 volt, maximum 8 watt. The dimensions are 7.8 to 4.8 to 2.8 centimeters. The cable length is 1.8 meters. And in the box you have 10 LED recessed spotlights, 1 EU European power supply, and 1 back screw accessory. That is easy to install. It has a nice shining, and you can use this all over your house. Because it's IP67, you can use it in bathroom, in the garden, everywhere you like. SMD LED technology and energy class A+. Yeah, 50,000 hours work time. Nice. And it's not so expensive. So let's build it into my garden area and have fun with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.